Hi there! Sorry I've been a bit quiet on here of late. Life's been somewhat busy to say the least, which has got in the way of my crafting time, which is no good at all, is it? However, yesterday I had a free evening, so I spent the evening moving around the figures in LittleSea Villa that you see here. Now, anyone who's watched my previous videos will recognise this house as being my old childhood doll's house that I restored last year. I've since decided to call it LittleSea Villa because that's the area of the town in which I grew up. I usually keep this doll's house in the window, and the children in the village come along and have a look and see what I've done inside the house. And I get requests to change it around on quite a regular basis, as they like to see things changing around inside the house. Now, my parents are visiting next weekend, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to theme the house around my mum's birthday, because she'll be celebrating her birthday while she's coming up to stay with us. So, as you'll see in a minute, Granny is now celebrating her birthday in the house. Now, I've already had one birthday in the house. I think it's fair to have more than one birthday, isn't it? I mean, everybody in a house celebrates a birthday throughout the year, don't they? So far we've had the mum of the house celebrating a birthday, and now we've got Granny celebrating a birthday too. So I've tried to make it a little bit different to how it looked when Mum was having her birthday. Now, my parents haven't actually seen this house because last time they came to visit us, about Christmas time, we all had COVID, so they couldn't actually see us in the end because we literally came down of it a day or two before they were due to come, and they couldn't cancel for one reason or another. So they haven't seen the house. So I thought it'd be an ideal time for them to see it themed, especially for my mum's birthday. I thought it'd be a nice little touch for her. So what I'll do in a minute is I'll grab the camera and we can have a closer look inside the house and see how the people inside the house are celebrating Granny's birthday. So as you can see, most of the birthday celebrations are going on inside the lounge. And you can see that Granny sat on the sofa there with her bundle of presents next to her. And she's opening one up on her lap already. Looks like a little girl is helping her open her presents and certainly has her eye on the cake, ready to eat up that lovely birthday cake. The little girl's got a new pink teddy bear there with her. That's new to the house, and she looks rather pleased with that, doesn't she? We've got Mum joining her there on the chair, and the teenage boy coming downstairs as well. We've got little boy still on his train. He's rather enjoying his train. He's not coming off that, is he? Now, it looks like Granny's intending to have a very joyful birthday. She's got some cocktails here on the table, ready to be drunk, and some bottles of wine as well, hasn't she? And along the mantelpiece, she's got some birthday cards as well. On the back there, she's got a cocktail next to her and some birthday cards too. All the people as well, as you can probably see, have got their balloons out. So they're all carrying a balloon as well, aren't they? Now we'll just move over to the kitchen. And you can see Dad's having a well-deserved rest. He's having a little sit down there. He's got his balloon, and the table's all done up with balloons as well, all ready for later. And we've got the little girl pushing the baby in his buggy. And the little baby's got a balloon too, hasn't he? And we've also got some bottles ready to be drunk as well. So I'm not saying this family's an alcoholic family at all, are we? But and we'll move up to the bedroom to see what's going on in the bedroom. Oh my goodness, look at that. The little dog is being rather naughty and he's bouncing off the bed while everybody's downstairs enjoying the birthday celebrations. And he also seems to be telling the bunnies that they're not allowed on the bed, although that one at the back there, the white one, has rather naughtily got onto the dressing room table stool, hasn't he? Now, he's either telling the bunnies they're not allowed on the bed, or he's giving them a bit of a story. What do we think? And other than that, we've gained a couple of new things in the house as well. We've got a globe, which I thought went rather nicely on the hallway there. And oh my goodness, there's a crocodile that seems to have joined them in the bathroom. That could be rather scary, couldn't it? Well, hopefully Granny will enjoy her birthday. And I hope my mum will find it rather humorous that she's celebrating her birthday along with Granny in the house as well. So hopefully you found that a bit of fun. It's always a bit of fun with dolls' houses, isn't it? And I hope you've enjoyed seeing how Granny's going to celebrate her birthday in the house. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.